Hi, this is the Cheeseburger Mac with 10 grams of protein. Um, that's not good. Oh, wait. Hey, um, this is what it looks like. Let's put it in the microwave. So, boom, it's done. Cheeseburger Mac. Huh. Let's give it a mix. Looks very appetizing. Let's give it a taste to see what we have to look forward to. You know what? That's not bad. That's not that bad. Well, let, let's get the pouring. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh no. I dropped. Oh no. This is it's not really going to plan. Come on. You know what? I dropped two of these, but fuck it. I'll clean it up before the next video. Let's you know what? This is probably going to be thick. You know, all our smoothies happen to be thick. So let's just go ahead and put some water in it. Yeah, a little more. Okay. Put that on. So give it a little shake. I think it's done. Here's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, oh my gosh. You know what? Scratch what I said about the high hopes. This looks like vomit. Ugh. Shit. All right, let's the consistency. This is pretty thick. Another thick one. Let's give it a taste. You know what? Not that bad. It's not. If I were to put it on a scale between 1 to 10, um, I give it a 3. This is a 3. You know, the consistency is not too thick, but it's still thick. You know, the taste is it's a little bland, but we could just blame that on the water. But it's not too bad. Doesn't feel good in your mouth. It doesn't. That's what she said. But yeah, we'll give this one a 3. Well, bye.